light's making my face look really red. We're getting our day started. We got Iceman under the loader. We're fixing to move the track cutter. Pup is sitting out yonder somewhere. There he is, right there. There's Pup. We're getting in. He's sitting up there with the low boy waiting on Iceman to get loaded, a little more daylight, and then we're gonna move this to the back side of our block. We're finishing this set here in a little while. There's about 3 more loads to skid here. And y'all get ready. It's time to get this vlog started. So what we're doing here, we're having a back end off the, you'll see the black top right there. Road is going to need a load of rock on it right there. Big time. Get out of here where I can flag traffic for Pup, but y'all can see where it's cutting down with that track cutter going in there. The timber's on that side of the road. And we got to back the trailer in because there's, you see how the road really grew up. There's no way for us to really get in there with a truck yet, turn around, all that good stuff. So we're going to back the low boy in, unload me right here just behind the work truck. And then I will take the cutter and go down through there, opening everything up. And hopefully be able to turn around. If not, my truck's gonna have to back in from the blacktop down there. Oh look, and there's a school bus coming. Yay! Alright, so what we're doing there, just kind of raking this stuff out of the road, getting those, they're like a weed, but they're kind of like a hard tree too. They'll scratch the paint, stuff like that on trucks. Trying to roll that out of the road, just kind of opening up some of these bushes and stuff so the trucks have room to maneuver coming in through this gate, coming out on the parish road here. Y'all can see the water. They're supposed to be getting me some rock, and we'll put a load of rock right here. It'll be 1x3 rock, means it'll be 1 to 3 inch, diameter rock is what'll get put down here, and that'll help get the trucks out in the road without getting mud on it. Keep the parish happy, keep the residents back here behind us safe, and us able to log. Go ahead and get this stuff trucked out of here. Loader is here, putting it in the new spot. Michael's spinning him around. See the cutter sitting there. I've been working kind of over in this direction here. Lots of tore down stuff that you couldn't really see on the drone the other day when we was here. It's really tore up over there. Really bad. but loader's here. Time to go to work now. So what we're doing here, we're building a truck turnaround. Set looks extremely large, and it is, as we're only going to be using from about here that away for a logging site. This over here, for safety concerns, it's about a half a quarter from here to the end of the road down there, and for safety reasons we're going to widen this existing set out a little bit this way, moving the loaders and stuff down, and we will take the upper end up here, which this is on a pretty good hill, so this is another good idea for this too, since it's on a hill, is we will take this area here and blade it all off really nice and clean, and then we'll have our trucks drive in past the loaders, come down here. I'll have to move the work truck, of course, move the work truck, and then the trucks will back into this hole here. Mickey's wood pile will be here, and they'll circle around just outside of Mickey's tops and pull up there and get loaded. That way the trucks are not having to turn around on the road out there. Again, trying to be safe. As always, safety first. Watch Michael, he's gonna pull up a stump. Or he's gonna try to pull up a stump. Oh, he got it. Look at that. Surgically removed with the skidder grapple. All right, so now we got the truck turnaround built. We got Mickey here, Matt on his way over here. He may actually leave his loader over there. He got to get some sets caught up on the cleaning. We got everything set up, ready to go. I'm going to continue working to the north end of this block. The south end is pretty tore up. Foresters are going to have to come and evaluate that and see how they want me to approach cutting that, where they want to just cut it to a certain basal area, or if they just want to clear cut this corner, whatever they want to do. So we got about, I know we have all day here skidding and cutting. I may accidentally finish cutting it today, fingers crossed. And I got official word a while ago, we are going back to the original flood, if you want to call it that, track. So you'll see Michael back here getting the first drag. This will also be a backward set, and I'll show y'all that once we get the other loader in here. But basically, instead of delimbing from right to left and piling on your left side of the loader, you're going to be delimbing from left to right and piling your wood pile on the right, because your truck's going to have to be going that way. Since your trailer's going to have to be to the right of your loader instead of the left. It's just how you have to work it. One of the pluses of not having to put a delimiter in there is that CTR, or the pull through out there, it delimbs left or right. It's designed to delimb to the left, but you can delimb to the right and still be efficient with it if you're a good loader operator. And luckily I got two pretty good loader operators. Booby trapped him. Watch, he's gonna hang up on that. No, he made it. I was trying to get it to where he come through there and I got a good shot of him. I told him, I said, I'm probably gonna booby trap you with that pile of wood. He said, no, I'll make it. I guess he made it. Man, it's a pretty day. It's a good day for logging. Alright, so y'all can see we got our pile out for in the morning. We got our goal accomplished of the day. We got our 12 loads, even though we all had to send it to our faraway mill, as I like to call it. And we got our loads out. We got some wood ahead for in the morning. Probably gonna have most all day here tomorrow. I was thinking we were gonna finish pretty much midday tomorrow, but looks like we're gonna have all day. But like I said, it is confirmed when we get done here, we're going back to the first flood track. So y'all remember that one pretty well, the one that caught us off guard over the weekend. But other than that, guys, great day. Everything turned out done really good. If y'all enjoyed today's video, please go down below, leave me a comment, tell me what you like, what you didn't like, whatever, and we'll try and do better. Subscribe for me if you're not already subscribed, and until the next video, catch y'all next time. Michael, your fans are missing you.
Yeah?
You wouldn't talk to them the other day.
I don't talk when I'm working.
You are a focused man.
Yeah. Now I'm ready to go to the house.
Well, why do we need to go to the house?
It's time to go home. It's 3:30.
Exactly. It's only 3:30. We're supposed to work till 4.
Hey,
it's 3:40.
It gets dark at 5 o'clock now.
Well, we should be working to dark.
No.
Utilizing all the time available.
Nope.
No?
Time to go to the house.
Time to go to the house.
Yep, time to go to the house.
Well,
we got our wood out.
You're going to have to talk to your fans the next time. They was all upset you wouldn't talk to them.
Oh, okay.
All right.